Hello everyone, myself Amol, and in this video we are going to learn about dependency injection in string, and we have some topics remaining in inversion of control. So let's start. So now, uh, as we have seen in our last class, that our app, this myapp.java. Okay, so here as we can see that our app is working with clearly with baseball coach. So now if I go if I'm going to try it with a different type of coach, let's say a track coach. Okay, so now here, if as I have already this baseball coach.java class that for which our this my app.java is working. So now if I have to use this new track coach class, so in order to use it, I have to make this another class of track coach, which I have already created. So let's see. So here it is, trackcoach.java. So now, okay, so here as we have created our track coach class now, and we have also implemented the coach interface here. So now I'm going to return a statement through which return we will get our input through this return statement. Run 7 months. So okay, so here we will get some error. Let's check. Okay, so this error says in order to remove it, add unimplemented methods. So here as we have implemented interface here, and this is our unimplemented method that we have not implemented here. So now we have got our custom implementation from here, from get daily workout. And now in order to remove this, or let's think what will happen. So here we need this or we do not need this. Let's check from our code. And now okay, so but first of all, we have to go over on myapp.java. So here we have implemented our coach interface here, and here we have created the new class that is track coach. And now let's see if this code run or not. So here, okay, okay, so here we have some error, and let's see what will. Okay, so I think there is some error here. So okay, now we check. then okay, so here is our output, and now we are going to use some another code. Let's check. Oh, okay. So here we will from here we will start our new topic, that is Spring Dependency Injection. So okay, okay. So what is Spring Dependency here? The Spring Dependency means in which the client delegates to calls to another object the responsibility of providing its dependencies. Okay, so here in which we will call to another object, and that the responsibility of that object is to provide its dependencies. So let's start. So okay, from here, in order to use Spring Dependency, I have to create an interface, and I have already created it. So here it is. So we have created this interface named as Fortune Service, and now if I am going to I am going to define a method that is going to return us a string, and public string interface, or string, let's say the name of the string is get fortune. That is our name of the service, and okay, so we have created a string, and it will also give us output in another string format, or we can say we have created a method that will give us output in an string format. So now, so here we do not have any implementation code. So now, okay, so to implement this interface in a class, I have to create a class, and I have already created that class, and now we have to write some code in it. So here I have created the class Happy Fortune Service that implements this interface, as in our previous interface we have some not implementation code. So here now I have created this class here, and in this I am going to use this return statement, and I am defining a statement here such as let's say take this delivery, take this delivery. 1 second. Okay, so here we have take this delivery. Okay, so okay, so okay, so here we have okay, so here we have return a statement, and now so if we call this method, so we will get this string fortune method, and in that through that interface from which we have called it. So now if I if okay, if we want to use this return statement or this interface, so now I have to return to this coach.java class, and now I'm going to also return a method. Let's suppose that public string get daily fortune. Okay, so here, as we have defined another method, that get daily fortune, because as we have defined this get daily workout from this baseball coach.java. So now if I use oh sorry, if I use this get daily fortune from here this method, so in order to use in this coach.java, so now okay, so here from we have add a method that is get daily fortune, and now I'm going to return to this baseball coach.java. But first of all, I have to check whether okay. So here, if we don't add this unimplemented method, so let's see. Okay, so here we will get an error because we have broken some code here, and that is that is used in track coach, or that is used in our baseball class. So if we copy paste this as we have already here, so I have removed this in order to see you that what error will we will get if we remove this unimplemented code. So now, so I am going to return to the this baseball coach dot java class. So now okay, so here we have this our coach class that implements this coach class coach interface. So here I have created a private field for the dependency, that is this shown by this private keyword. I have created this private fortune service, and take this variable fortune service, and now I have used this public baseball class and defined this fortune service and the fortune service here. So I have used this variable the fortune service is equals to this fortune service that I have defined in this public baseball coach class. So now I have now I am equating these two, and now and I have done all this to define a constructor for dependency injection here. So this is our method of get daily workout that we have already defined here, and that is our return statement that we have given in last lecture. Go and do practice. So this is our the complete project that is we have created here, and now so and I have if I remove this helper class or this method, then let's check what will happen. So here we will get an error, as we can see the same error, that is unimplemented method. So that's why I have removed it from here in order to uh, see that what error we will get if we remove this method from here. So okay, so here we have created a method that is get daily fortune from our this happy fortune service, or okay, so here we have created from this get daily fortune, we have created on here. And now so here I have also defined a helper class. We can see this method as a class, and I have written this object of which use this variable of fortune service and dot get fortune, our method. So now from I think yes, from here we have used this method in our baseballcoach.java class. So let's see. In order to use this dependency, if we remove, we have to check the dependency injection. If we remove this code from here, okay, so we will get an error here, as this code is dependent on this get fortune, as we have implemented it from here to our baseball coach class. So so if we remove this, we will get some error, that is add unimplemented methods. So we can see that from here, we can see that this code is dependent to our this fortune service. So so it shows the dependency injection of this code to this code. So here we can use this code in order to prove that this code is dependent to this our fortune service.java class. So here, so it will prove that our dependency injection, spring dependency injection on this class. So okay, so from here we can use our spring dependency method. And now okay, okay, so thank you for watching this video.